this recipe, I'm sharing with you one of the most classic Greek meze dishes. It's called Saganaki. And it's basically, in its most popular form, it's basically a piece of fried cheese. And I have the cheese right here. This is Kefalotyri. It's a very hard, very pungent cheese, and it's used almost exclusively in dishes like this. I want to add a little pepper to the flour. We're going to just mix, lightly beat an egg. Next, have a little water ready. And this is a 3-step, it's easy, but it's got some tricks. We're taking our cheese, Kefalotyri, and the first thing that we're doing is dip it in a little water, just a little, and that will help the first layer of flour to stick to the surface. And try to get the sides if you can too. Okay, and then right after that, it goes into the egg. Try to get that on all sides. There we go, and then back into the flour. I've got my frying pan heating up. The frying pan has to be nice and hot, and it's been on sort of medium-high flame for about a minute. And I like to do a combination of butter and olive oil. And you want to get that piece of cheese in the frying pan. You want to leave it until it's got a beautiful crust on the bottom. Okay, it just needs another few seconds and it'll be ready to flip. That's exactly what we're looking for. Beautiful. It just takes a few minutes to make what is one of the best and most beloved meze specialties in all of Greek cooking. Now, if I was in a restaurant, I'd probably pour some ouzo over this and set it aflame, but I'm just at home and we want to add a little lemon to that. So this is Greek Saganaki in its most popular form. It's basically a piece of fried Kefalotyri cheese with a little butter and olive oil in a hot frying pan. And you always serve this with a little bit of lemon juice. And there are other renditions of this dish. Saganaki actually refers to a two-handled shallow frying pan, but you can do this in any frying pan. And I'm about to dig into this and enjoy it.